lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well and staying home safe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss any updates from my channel. So now let's begin. So I'm going to share these two reviews. This is from Wow Skin Science Red Onion Black Seed Oil Shampoo and Wow Skin Science Upton Face Wash. Both are from Wow range. Like, I'm obsessed with Wow products. Like, I'm in love with Wow products. Most of you have been not known what is Wow. This is a brand called paraben free, sulfate free, silicone free and no color added. I am in love with this product because these are very natural and they do not test on animals, and they manage pH balance and made with natural actives and so many things here. So I'm gonna review these both products. First I'm gonna review what this claims and what are the ingredients and how it worked with me. Like, I'm gonna share that. So Wow Skin Science Red Onion Black Seed Oil Shampoo. I have in this range called Red Onion Black Seed Oil. So it says it has pro vitamin B5 and no sulfate, no paraben, no silicone, no color. I've already said that. And dermatologically tested, pH level balanced. Made with natural actives, help strengthen, soften and restore strength. Its net volume is 300 ml, which is a great thing. They have written how to use this product. Like, they have given all the tips to remember and how to use this product and all these stuffs. So they have given expiry date, all these details here, and this can be recycled, which is a good thing. This box can be recycled. So my MRP is $4.99, but I got in the price like 350 rupees from Amazon. So it says formulated in USA, made in the Himalayas, dermatologically tested, cruelty free, 100% vegan, gluten free. So these are the ingredients. What this helps, like, strengthen, like what black seed oil does to your hair and what red onion does to your hair. Everything is written here, like, which is a good thing. I will be showing and opening the packaging. This is how it looks. This is my second bottle, guys. I know you won't believe, like, this is my second bottle. Can you see? These are two are same. This is the old one and this is the new one. So it's fully packed. I've not opened. It's like it's going to be over. So after this I'm going to use this only. So it's well packed and covered, which is a good thing again. So it has some papers in it, like you have some papers like so. The first paper is Happy Wow Skin Life, they have written, and you can tell your friends a random thing they have sent, like share your experience on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, Myntra, Purple, Google and Facebook and Instagram. They've given something how you can connect with us and all the stuffs. Not happy, and you can see this side. It's a very cool stuff, right? Like, they have given emergency calls and customer satisfaction guaranteed. Everything they have given here. The next package, something they have given like hello, a glow letter, like you receive in every packet. Like, they have given about how customers like their products and all. So next is this one, like it's in blue color. Let's see what we have here. You have to check everything, right? And they have all their products linked, everything mentioned here. Like, can you see it? See here. I think this is the front page. They have said, like, Wow Skin Science winter sale, check out our heartwarming deals. Pick up skin and hair goodies at the price starting from $2.99 only. Find the best deals here and now. So what are the products they have? I'll be quickly showing you. First thing is this Red Onion Oil Shampoo. They have hair oil, shampoo, conditioner, hair mask. And next, get healthy hair with Wow Skin's apple cider vinegar range. They have shampoo. They have hair mist tonic hair mask. They have here. Then get glossy tame creases with wow skin and coconut milk range. Like they have shampoo, conditioner, hair mask, face washes. Like see this cute little babies right here. They're wonderful face washes. I have one of them. Like this is almost over, guys. I really don't have anything right now, so I'm in love with this. It's almost over, nothing in this. So only I ordered this Upton face wash. Let's give it a try. Every product I want to try in WOW because I'm in love with WOW products. That's why they have for men too, guys. Men, women, kids, everyone. Like for kids, see the cool packaging here. Like lovely packaging. And for men, I've said that. So many range in this. So that's it. They have given all the details of their product. So that's it, guys. These has been like so nice, and I'm just so happy. Like it's cruelty free. I'm so happy because they have not tested on animals. That's called cruelty free if you any of them or don't know about that. So yeah, I'm in love with this. It's in plastic bottle which you won't be mishandling. Like if it falls like this also, it doesn't matter. It won't break you. It won't break. That's it. So I'm in love with this. It has a very good thing. It has a pump and it has no color in it. I'm going to show you right now. I'm just slightly showing it. It has no color. See? So many shampoos use colors like sulfate and all. Sulfate you should not use actually. It is very very bad for your health. Like it dries your hair. Like so many stuffs, but it doesn't have sulfate paraben, which is a good thing. This makeup looks so pretty, gorgeous. This makeup is on Eid makeup. So it's already live. So please go and watch that video too. After watching this video, guys, I'm gonna say this one like, no. I'm going to give a full credit on this product because I'm in love with this. Because I can't say like this is my so much good bottle. I mean say it's helped me so much. Like I have a very thin hair. Like I can show you like this much. See, I have a very thin and very dry hair right now because I used to have very shiny hairs. Like I bought so many conditioners to give a smoothies texture for my hairs, but it doesn't work. And this shampoo, like it controls my hair fall. I'm just loving this product, guys. I hope you should also try this product. This is not a sponsored video. This is not like WOW have sent me. Never, never, never. I bought my own money and just I'm reviewing which I like and don't like. So I only gave honest reviews, guys. Please do check that. I have so many reviews done in like L18 versus a Lakme Insta Liner. Like I have compared that. So many reviews I've given. Pimple care, how to remove your pimples, acne in just 7 days. Please go and check it out that too. Next I'm gonna show you is this Upton face wash. I'm just using this for first time for 10 days. Like past 10 days I'm just using this. I'm gonna show the inner packaging. It's very simple, like a very nice classy, and it has some velvety texture. I don't know what texture you call it as. It's very nice, you know, like so softy and something. And its ml is 100 and net volume is 100 ml, which is a great thing. And I've just out of stock of face wash. I thought of buying the same, but let's give it a try to a new one. So I've just given this try. Like I'm just loving it. It smells like an Upton, like turmeric only, guys. So nice. I'm loving it. It also says no paraben, no sulfate. Every WOW product is no paraben, no sulfate, no silicone, no added colors. I love to say that because everything is a no, right? Which is great thing, right? It says helps cleanse and clarify complexion, and they have used chickpea flour, which is a chana, turmeric, saffron, almond extract, rose water, sandalwood oil. So I've given the ingredients, how to use, cautions and everything. This retail for $2.99. This wasn't so deal, like I couldn't buy in deals, which is a okay thing only. I got it like a $2.99 price only. I think this lockdown has not helped me to buy this in a sale. So I'm just loving it. Okay, next I'm going to show what is inside. I think the same things will be inside. The same things which I showed you earlier. They have this happy note, some hello notes, some winter sale on, something they have set. You to give this products a try and tell me in the comments whether you like this video or not, whether this video is helpful for you or not. If you like this video, please give it a like and share to your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel, which means a lot to me. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.